Alright, let's cut through the noise. Losing fat doesn't have to mean starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. Here are 5 science-backed ways to shed fat in a healthy, sustainable way. Number 1. Prioritize whole foods. Think fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. These keep you feeling full, fuel your body, and help you avoid those empty-calorie snacks. The downside? Prepping meals takes effort, but your body will thank you. Number 2. Move your body consistently. You don't need to crush yourself with height every day. Find activities you enjoy, like brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing in your living room. Exercise boosts your metabolism and preserves muscle as you lose fat. The trick is to stick with it, so pick something fun. Number 3. Watch your portions. It's easy to eat more than you realize, especially at restaurants. Try using smaller plates or simply pause halfway through your meal to check in with your hunger. You'll naturally eat less without feeling deprived. Number 4. Sleep like it matters, because it does. Lack of sleep messes with your hunger hormones and makes cravings harder to resist. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Your energy and willpower will skyrocket. And finally, number 5, manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating and stubborn belly fat thanks to cortisol. Try meditation, journaling, or even short daily walks. Find what helps you unwind. So, losing fat isn't about extremes, it's about building simple, realistic habits you can stick to. Start small, stay consistent, and let your results speak for themselves.